MB will kill again trading crypto. We're gonna do show today, talk a bit about Nvidia, the financial markets, talk about Bitcoin, altcoins, what we gonna chart today. I hope that you guys made me a list of nice altcoins. I'm gonna share mine as usual, the ones that I'm eyeing. So let it start and push on those thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay, thank you. Let's get it all running. Put this down. Okay, thumbs up if you can hear me. Let's see, what do we got over here? By the way, guys, I'm a bit sick today. I've got a big headache. It just won't calm down. I don't know what it is. It's also why I've not been so active in the morning. I'm really... But, you know, I have to do this live. A lot is going on. So, let's see. Unlocks, Bro Love, welcome Top Dog Carlo, Uncle Pops, Roy Gruer, and Unlocks, Amiro's Top Dog. Top Dog is having a little bit of beat with M Will Killer with double R. What was it I was reading? He has some trading strategies. Oh my god, these freaking scammers. Let's see, what do we got? Novako, hello. Alpiman. Alpiman, you're also very sick. I read it on Twitter. I hope you'll get better soon, bro. Runaway hostage. Bash. Bash is also in the house. Bash. Everyone get their smokes ready. I'm having a bit of a headache, guys. I'm not smoking a lot today. Already use your link? Well, send me, DM me, Carlo, DM me your UID if you did. If you don't have the indie or want to join the private, just guys, when you open up an account on Bluefin or Weex and you start trading and there are funds over there, DM me on Twitter your UID. Riff Pop, Isaac, gracias, welcome David OB. What do you got? Tony Mel, Opti Clement, Nichu, Bipop. Let's see, ADC, Jerison, What do we got? Mozart, Biggie, JP. Hey guys, why aren't you not in the stream of... I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. I'm sick of crypto. Are you, GP? Well, you're doing something wrong if you're sick of crypto. We are just heating up. We are just warming up. We're just warming up. So let's see. We got Tamura. Hey community. Hi Robin. And Jerison from... I'm seeing a lot of new names. Maybe it's because I'm live streaming on another time frame. Maybe that's the reason. Well, let's start. First of all, guys, Nvidia dropped dramatically yesterday when the earnings came out. The earnings were bullish again, like always. You know, these guys, there are certain things I know and certain people know. These guys are manipulating their earnings and their revenues. This time they showed that they had their revenues come from five companies are buying whatever, five. And from those five, well, let me not just get too deep into that one. So we had that big drop, just like said yesterday. We had that big drop on Nvidia, also on the US 500. But the drop was a bit too big in my opinion, so it was a bit scammy to me. So I expected a big bounce up. So that's what we're seeing also now. We're now at the 121 on the pre-market. It will open and then let's see what Nvidia will do. So for now, everything stays the same. We're heading into the double, and well, let's see how those Nvidia bulls will do. Let me go to the US 500. Same story, guys, same story. What you see on Nvidia is what you see on these markets, and now it's just these ones. Today I'm gonna talk a bit about trading. Some tips, guys, that are leverage trading. So I'm gonna talk a bit about trading. Let me do it directly, why not? Let me just start off with this one. So first of all, we had this drop yesterday. This was the drop with the Nvidia, just like we expected. But you know, a lot of retailers that are in the markets, what I don't understand, this is just if you're trading. So meaning when you're trading low time frames. So I'm not talking about a bigger picture, when you have just your spot bags, your spot buy orders waiting to get filled, buy the blood, sell the FOMO. So I'm not talking about that one. I'm really talking about leverage trading now. Leverage trading, suppose that yesterday you started shorting based on what we discussed yesterday. So based on this one, suppose that you have been shorting, making some money. You have to understand that charts never go down in one line and never go up in one line. It's just how it works, especially when you're trading leverage. There are even one, well, it's a small group, not a big group. They trade on a 100x, 125x, especially when you trade on those numbers, or when you're trading on 20x or 30x. But when the number is high, so you're going on very strong volume, you have to always keep in mind that it always goes like this. You can open any chart. So when it goes up like this. When it comes down, it also comes down like this. So meaning when you hit a short over here, you come down, take the damn money. You wait for it, down, take the damn money. Don't, you know, the biggest mistake leverage traders make, first of all, the ones that are in my free private group, lesson number one, when you're leverage trading, when you analyze and you go into a trade, a green P&L never, ever, ever, ever turns into a red one. That's lesson number one. That's the first lesson that I'm going to teach you when you're leverage trading. Meaning that every freaking green P&L that you have, you never, ever close that one in red. So meaning when you're in green, it depends on you. It's your own decision what you want to do, how much profits you want to take, but you take the damn profits. So you never let a green P&L turn into red. So what I'm trying to explain you guys is what happened is the bounce. The bounce when Nvidia made that big dump down, you can expect a bounce. Why? Because the earnings were bullish. They were not bearish. So the drop down was probably liquidating a lot of NVIDIA longs. So that's what just happened. So you can expect the bounce to come in. And when the bounce comes in, that's what we saw over here. This bounce over here, when we saw this bounce happening, it's at the same time that Bitcoin started bouncing. Look, you see, we came down. Let me put it on the 1 hour so you can see it better. So we came down, 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 down over here. You see this one? Well, it's not the same because Bitcoin is a bit lagging the past days like shared, but you see the bounce comes in. And why does this bounce come in? Let me explain you guys exactly why it's so important that we keep charting that US 500, especially for the leverage traders, especially to you guys. What you can see is, I've been saying this for years now, Wall Street rules the Bitcoin price. Wall Street rules the Bitcoin price. Don't think that Michael Saylor rules the Bitcoin price or BlackRock rules the Bitcoin price or whoever. It's Wall Street rules the Bitcoin price. And let me tell you also something else that you can, what they wanted. Why do we think these institutions and like BlackRock, Fidelity, etc. So why do we think that they are bullish on Bitcoin? Is there someone in the chat that can answer me this question? Why are they bullish about Bitcoin? Trump also, Bitcoin this, Bitcoin that, why? If someone knows the answer to this one, share it in the comment below. You have to understand the game to make the game. It's that simple. You have to understand the game to make the game. So for now, Bitcoin. A lot of people are Bitcoin. First of all, 4 hour. Let me put on our indicator. Here it is. Look at this, how it turned back. So first of all, this is the first level to watch, guys. 61K. 61K is the first level for the bounce. So this could we go up, get rejected, and then we're gonna come lower. That's the first one that we're eyeing. So this could be a possible trade. If you see that there is more strength in the US 500 and Bitcoin is ramping up, next level is the red zone. It's that simple. Very simple. Act on it, trade it, put it on the 15 minutes, follow the damn indicator, make money. It's that simple. Even a 5 years old can make money this way. If you know how to ride it, that's how you're gonna make money. So you can put it on the 5 minutes, on the 15 minutes. When it reaches this resistance zone, put in the damn indicator over here. It gets invalidated on a 5 minute, boom, short is opened, and there you go. If it breaks up above it, well, then we've got this one to the 62K levels. You can open up a long, whatever you want. Just drive the damn indicator. But let me just for the ones that don't know how this indicator works. By the way, if you want this indicator, links are below. Trade on Bluff in a weeks. It doesn't matter if you're trading on Bybit or Binance or whatever exchange out there. You know, they're killing me, guys. I'm getting like 20, 30 DMs a day. There are so many new exchanges opening up out of the, please, Emerald Killer, do you want to partner up with us? We've got a great exchange, great liquidity. They keep killing my balls about it. For now, Weex and Bluffin, that's it. And I have to say that I'm getting so much positive feedback about Bluffin. They are really their trading page is really great, and they have also added a lot of spot pairs yesterday or the day before, and also Weex. I don't know if I can say this. Am I allowed to say this? I don't know. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that, but Weex. Let's just say there's a lot going to change on Weex in a positive meaning. There's a lot of things going on in Weex. So let's just say that. But it's maybe between now and a month, some really positive things are going to happen at Weex. But let me just go back over here because Weex, Bluffin, whatever, we're here to make money. It's about the chart. It's about the trades. So first level over here. And something else also very important. We lost the indicator over here, and we're also on the daily, we're going back to also test it. This is a make or break, guys. This is going to be very important. This is going to be very important. A lot of you guys will have something like, well, MB, whatever. Yeah, and then you'll see me sharing all those green P&Ls, and I say, oh, maybe I should have listened to that freak. Okay, well, it's time for a smoke, I think. Let's see. So first of all, this is very important, guys. Let's see how this thing is going to close today, because it's very important. If you close below it, it's also very, very important to see what that. And let me show you guys also the MEXC. We were coming, but we broke on the daily above it. You see this? The indicator, because we didn't break above it before. So we broke above it. We're coming back. We're retesting it as we speak. Let me lower this one. Let me lower it so you can see it better. So this one, if this thing gonna hold, especially in the weekends, guys, because in the weekends there are no financial markets. It's all about this chart. This exposes you what whales are doing. This chart that you're seeing over here. So this zone will probably hold, in my opinion. I don't think that this thing will just come back to the gray zone. And as long as this thing keeps holding and starts bouncing, Bitcoin will get punished for that. So keep that in mind. So also this one, we're coming back, broke above it. We're coming back. So if this thing comes back down here, we might get some more bullish momentum on Bitcoin. There is some space for Bitcoin. Let me show you guys this one also the same. We broke above it, came back, retest, and when this thing holds support and we go up again, this will fill our bags. You see this, come back, indicator, and then boom. And over here is when we will get filled on our backs. And a lot of you guys will, MB, what are you showing us? We're not understanding the crap out. What are you talking about? We are used to buy now, sell then, do this, do that. We're going to the moon. You're showing us charts and we have no clue what you're doing. You know what I'm doing over here? I'm believing. I already analyzed, I already planned, I'm in the believing stage. And so this is my belief, because after the belief I will strike, and I will strike hard. So that's about that, guys. Bitcoin. So if you want to, I think that most of you guys are over here for Bitcoin and altcoins. So if you want Bitcoin, this is about Bitcoin. I've showed you guys everything that you need to know. So this is about Bitcoin, and now I want to see some thumbs up if you appreciate this. If you like me to share you guys where we're heading to, what's going on, where to be cautious or not. If you like that, push those likes and give me those thumbs up. And let's see what this creep is doing. This thing, this monster, this. Look at this, look at this. We had this drop down. Look at this. Okay, I'm going to give you guys some time to share your altcoins, because I want to talk. I don't want to waste a lot of time. I want to talk about altcoins. Today, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, a lot of altcoins will be traded, especially for the free private. Be ready. I'm gonna share a lot of charts for the trading in the free private, and I'll also share a lot of charts on Twitter. A lot of altcoins, a lot of ETH pairs, BTC pairs. It's all about altcoins. It's about making freaking money. I know I've got a big headache, but you know, I want to make a lot of money tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. These 3 days, I want to make a lot of money trading altcoins. I want to make a lot of money. I'm just hungry. I'm hungry. I just need my headache to get better. So, guys, share me your altcoins. You've got 10 seconds. Let me put on my music, and there we go. me first of all answer the question. Why are they suddenly so bullish on Bitcoin? Number one is they want to control it. Just like they control the US dollar, just like they control the stocks. They couldn't control Bitcoin. Bitcoin was out of their reach. They couldn't control it. That's the reason why they're accumulating Bitcoin and buying Bitcoin. Not because they're bullish on Bitcoin. They don't give a crap about Bitcoin. They want to control Bitcoin, because if they wouldn't bought Bitcoin, Bitcoin would be now at 100K or more. That's my opinion. That's number one. Number two, they want to make money. You know, Binance is made billions of dollars on crypto. And they were thinking to themselves, how is it possible that these guys are making money? Why aren't we making money? So what they did is spot ETF, people are buying, selling, so now they are making money. That's the only thing. Don't believe that crap about Bitcoin is digital gold, Bitcoin is this, the Bitcoin blockchain is for sure something new. But guys, everything new, it's just like altcoins. Today is this altcoin, today is not altcoin. The technology keeps going on, and you know, at some point when there comes something out that's better than the blockchain, then Bitcoin is dead. It's just that simple. And people believe, no, Bitcoin is the future, I will hold it until it's 10 million bucks. Well, be my guest, do as you do, and I really hope that Bitcoin will get to 10 million or whatever, if I really hope it. But the question is, how much is $10 million worth at that point? Think about that one. Think about that one. So, guys, I'm in this market to make money. I'm in this market to make money today, and I don't care about tomorrow and the day after and the day and next week and next month, next year. No, I'm in here to make money today, and I'll do it again and again and again and again. And at the end of the road, I'll see a big bag of cash or whatever it is, and that's how I see it. I will not tell you just hold bags until you get rich. It's just not how it works. So let me get into the chat, guys. So that's about that. Yes, I want to do TRX. Let me first of all start with TRX. I already talked about why am I here? Why am I at this list? Let me go to my blue list. TRX, where are you? Where are you, TRX, guys? TRX, keep an eye on TRX. TRX, Tron is really ramping up. Let me first of all check this one. Tron. Tron. Okay, this is against Bitcoin, guys. So it already made a nice rise up. What is this? Yeah, we're reaching a really, this is a double top, guys. Be careful about Tron over here. I already said it, but be careful over here. We're reaching really danger levels over here. And the thing is that I'm not liking, we're also reaching levels over here. This one makes me scared even more. You know, this chart over here makes me scared even more than this one. And it comes together. So this is tricky. This is dangerous. So first of all, guys, if we will break out of this and Tron will make new highs. So we break out of this very long distance, and we go up and we even break this high over here. Guys, this is super bullish, and I think that Tron, when we get into this box, I think that Tron will also make new highs. So let me just say it like this. If Tron makes a new high, if it breaks a new all-time high, and also breaks out of this line over here, I will be trading loads of Tron. I'll be going long on a lot of Tron. So let me check this one also. And as you against ETH, it's also ramping up, guys. But guys, you can only be bullish when we break above it. As long as we don't break above it, you have to remain bearish. It's risky. It's just too risky to buy Tron over here. You can only buy Tron when it goes up. So that's about Tron. Remember what I just told you, guys. Remember what I said. So don't go FOMO in because Mr. Justin is tweeting about Sundog and Sun this, Sun that. Please, 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 please. Let's see. What do we got? We got Rose. We talked about Rose. We're gonna do Algo. I'm gonna do the altcoins that we didn't do yesterday, guys. Algo. I'm gonna put in some altcoins I'm eyeing to trade on Twitter, by the way, guys. Just bear with me. Give me some time. I will share them on Twitter, especially for the weekend. This looks beautiful. Algo. This looks beautiful. This looks beautiful. This is a beauty. The buy zone over here has been hit. What was this? This was a nice. I bought some Algo. Yes, I had a bag of Algo. Yes, 65%. I bought this. I took some profits. I think on the daily. I took some profits on the daily over here. Yes, I took some profits over here. It was like 40% or 35%. I got hit in the box over here. Just like shared, by the way, if you guys forgot about it. So over here we're retesting it. So yes, Algo, but I have to check it. I'm gonna check it later. The ones that Bobcat. Oh my God, why Bobcat? What do we got? Let me see. KDA. Yes, why not, Carlo? We're gonna do KDA. It's also super wrecked, this KDA. What's going on with KDA? Same story, just like Algo. We're retesting the daily, guys. We broke the daily indicator. We're retesting it. So if Bitcoin decides to go a bit higher, you might see some upside on these coins. But it's all about Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin gonna do? Let me see. What do we got? Well, Woo is also one of my coins that I like. Woo. It has got a very strong shilling. It has got a very strong shilling. We got hit over here. It's in the box. But you remember I said this line also, so I've got it filled over here. I've got Woo. I've got Woo. I've got some Woo. I've got Woo. I know that I got Woo. Oh, telephone's going off. So I got some Woo. Yeah, Woo. It's in the box. But let me just say this. I'll be buying Woo again at 11 cents, 10 cents. So I'm not interested in trading Woo. To be honest, dog, I'm not gonna do, dog, come on. Dog. Optimism. Why optimism? Let me check optimism. Op has got some, they've got some coins coming, they're releasing some coins. That's why I don't like this op. They had an unlock going on. And you know, with these unlocks, you always have to be very, I'm not interested in op. You have to go check it. What is it? Who is this? Optimism. Because Onkar, listen, if you're gonna do 10 times optimism, bro, the market cap is 1.7 billion. The fully diluted market cap is 6 billion. So be very careful. TON is a nice scam coin. I don't think that TON is a nice scam coin. I think that TON is a very overbought coin, ADC. I think it's too expensive. That's what I think about TON. I don't think it's a scam coin. I really don't think that one. I don't think yeah, Roy Gruer, do you ever DCA spot buy memes? No, I don't buy spot memes. What I do is I trade memes. So when I see that the hype goes on, I buy a nice big spot bag, I trade it, make my 10, 20, 30% and then get out. Use the indie. I made a vid about this, Roy. I made a vid how to trade meme coins using the MW indicator. You can get rich in a month. Go check that vid. A lot of retailers became rich that acted on that vid that I released about how to trade meme coins as a pro. Go check it out. Make money and take money is a strategy. It's just how it is, Top Dog. It's just how it is. It's my style. It has been my style for years. And that's why, well, I'm not going to say that one. For the OGN, hey, thank you for the OGN trade ID. Got me some money back. Appreciate it. Mini MEXC. Well, congrats, bro. If I'm here to help, if you made money, I'm really happy for you. Yes, he bought Trump on spot. Yes, I made a lot of money on Trump. Trump and Super Trump. I made really sick gains on those ones. And Medic. Medic is a good one. Let me do Medic. Medic. MEXC. You know, I've got a feeling that I'm gonna kill those trades coming days. I'm really hungry. I don't know why. I don't know why, but I'm gonna kill those trades. I don't know why. I just need some MEXC. Look at this scammy dump. It's, you know why? ETH dumps. And when ETH goes dumpy, MEXC will dump harder. You just keep that in mind. So for me, MEXC back in the gray box. That's what I'm interested in. MEXC. What do we got? What do we got, guys? Show me something. Alles kunnen dot. Yes. Let's do some dot. Alles kunnen dot. Let's do some dot. We're gonna do 2 more, guys, and then we're gonna close it up because I'm feeling a bit sick today. Let's see dot. Oh my god, this dot is really. Dot is so freaking. Well, I made like 20 or 30%. What was it that I made over here from this box that I shared? What was it? This was a bounce of 40%. I made like 20% because I was DCA buying in over here. I made 20%. I took profits on 20%. We're now over here. I don't know if I'm gonna buy in from here. Maybe I'm gonna buy in below the $4 again. So that's about dot. Patient. Dot is really dead in my opinion at this moment. Dot needs. I don't think it's dead as a project. I think that dot will get back to the $20, $30, $40. I think that dot really has the probability to do it. But you know, GLMI. I think that if I would choose, let's just say if I had like 50k and I wanted to invest it in dot, I would probably buy 40k GLMI and 10k dot. And it's more risk, but you know, high risk, high rewards. It's just what it is. Because I'm really, I think that GLMI is so super undervalued, and I think that GLMI could make much bigger games for that one. Atom, we already did Atom. Last one, FAT. Why FAT? You didn't make e-gold for a long time. Okay, I'm gonna do e-gold. Yeah. You're right. Let me do e-gold. Those Romanian freaks over there. Those Romanian freaks. What do we got? We've got e-gold. Those Romanian freaks out there. What's going on with e-gold? E-gold. Oh my God, e-gold. Oh, this was a beautiful buy. I missed this one. I didn't buy any e-gold over here. Oh my God. Look at this. This was really a nice bounce also. This was 60% also. E-gold. E-gold, very simple. It's just this box. I'm gonna buy it. This time I'm gonna buy it. If it comes back over here, that's when I'm gonna buy some e-gold. Let me see. Okay, guys, I'm gonna close it in. I'm seeing a lot of altcoins, so I'm gonna put on the music and I'm gonna do some altcoins that you guys shared me, but I'm gonna do it during the music, and then we're gonna close the. I'm really having a headache, guys. Guys, remember the first part of this stream. That's the most important part. That's what makes you money. So focus on that one. Do as acted. Let's see how the market's gonna open. If we're going up, then Bitcoin will probably go towards those resistance levels, and well, that's when we're gonna strike. Have a nice one. Thank you very much. Love you all. Have a nice one, and bye-bye.